Assalamualaikum students. Today is the lecture of class 5, lecture number 3, exercise 1A. We are going to start from question number 6. Question number 6 is write the numbers in figure. Write the numbers in figure. Give the spaces correctly. But you see that here the numbers are also in the figures. You have to just give the spaces between the numbers by International System of Numbers. As you know that students, in International System of Numbers we have give spaces or intervals in every 3 digit. In every 3 digit we have give the space between the numbers. So in this question you have to just give the spaces between the numbers according to the International System of Numbers. Okay students, so we have take two parts. We have take two parts from question number 6, part A and part C. So part A, let's solve starting from the right side. Starting from the right side to give spaces between number. From the right side take first three numbers, 356, 356, give space and then choose next three digits. 384, write 384, then next three digit 905, 905, then the number is only 2, so write 2 here. So this is your answer for the giving spaces between the number according to the International System of Numbers. Okay, then part C, take three digits from the right side, 701 here, then next three digit 059, 059, next three digits are 320, 320, and then 1 here. So this is your answer of question number 6, part A and part C. Give the spaces according to the International System of Numbers. Okay. Now question number 7 is write the following numbers in words. Write the following number in words. Okay. Student, the numbers are given in figures. Given in figure, we have to write in words, as you understood in your previous lectures also how to read the number in International System of Numbers and write in figure, and write in words. So in this question the numbers are given in figures, we have to write in words, so let's start students. Now see how to write the numbers in words. Okay, so read in International System of Numbers. Start reading. First is units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then hundred thousands, and million, hundred thousands and million. Here the four is counting millions. Here are all the numbers on the right side of the 4 is zeros, and this is counting millions. So this is answer of this question is 4 million. 4 million. 4 million. Okay, then part C. Start reading from the right side. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, hundred thousands, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion. Two counts in billion. So answer of this question is 2 billion. 149 million, because this is a million periods. 149 millions. Here all the numbers are 0, so our answer completed is here. Okay, so this is right in also figures, so write 4 million as. Thank you. So students, all the other parts of question number 7 solve as it is question number 7's part A and part C. Okay, then question number 8, write the numbers in figures. First part of this question is write the number in figure. We have to write numbers in figure also and give the spaces correctly. First of all, we have to write the numbers. We have to write the numbers in figure for the given statements and then give spaces correctly according to the International System of Numbers. Okay, so let's start. So student, we have take part B, 5,740,000,000. 5,740,000,000. 5 billion means this is a 10-digit number. And easy method to write this number. You have to solve it. First of all, you have to make a chart according to the International System of Number units. Then write tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion. Okay, 5 billion. So write here 5. Then 740 million. 740 million. So this term lies in millions period. 740 million. And answer is, question is at here. So all the other numbers on the right side will be zeros. Counting zeros. Okay, 5,740,000,000. 5,740,000,000. Then give the spaces according to the International System of Numbers. So take first 3 digits are zeros, zeros. Then next 3 digits are also zeros. So 0 here. And then next 3 digits are 740. Okay, and then 5 here. So our answer is this: 5,740,000,000. 5,740,000,000. All the other parts of question number 8 solve as it is part B and in your notes. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.